what we want. We just want her to be here. और हम लोग सब एकदम ऐसे आराम से, देखते रहे जी भर के. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We good? Yeah. Here you go. So first of all, congratulations.
Thank
This
you.
is wonderful. This is something that we've never seen before. कोई नहीं. जी 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 बहुत बढ़िया. आइए. देखा आप देख रहे हो क्या हो रहा है. As soon as you come here, धमाका मच गया. First things first,
जी बोलिए.
5 साल है ना ये जर्नी. Talk to us about that first shot. And उससे भी पहले, that first time when you got to know that you will be working with icon star Allu Arjun sir.
First of all, may I just welcome all of you here. Thank you so much for joining us. Good evening to all of you. I hope you have all eaten well and I hope you're enjoying this event. Thank you for being a part of it. And yes, पहले तो कहाँ से शुरू करूँ मैं? Okay. First, I'll start off from, I think, the first shot you asked me about. I remember the first shot was, in Pushpa 1, Srivalli's song, there's this paper, this thing I do, and I'm pouring that milk and all of that. I think that was the first day, and I was so nervous meeting Allu Arjun sir for the first day. I was like, yo, now how do I react to sir? Okay, sir, like he's been a superstar for such a long time, so I was like, okay, now I don't know how to react, I don't know how to behave and all of that, but that was the first day, that was the first interaction. But today, standing here in front of sir, just his family, his home, so the 5 years journey has been so different with a lot of emotional ride, I should say. But today here we are, and he's always going to be super special. So
you've met these eminent journalists, a couple of times, of course, in the past too.
Yes.
But when you are standing here for Pushpa 2, The Rule, after 16 December 2021, that was the first time you'd come here. And we welcomed you. So now how does it feel,
A lot's changed, that's for sure. लेकिन जब भी ना मैं film shoot के लिए आ रही थी मुंबई के लिए, I used to just be asked one question, कि when is Pushpa 2 releasing? And today, with all of my heart and all of my confidence and all of my excitement, I can proudly announce that we're finally coming to you on December 5th.
अब बात समझ में आ गई हम सबको. Of course, she said it. अब समझ में आ गई. Talk to us about this amazing filmmaker, सुकुमार sir. जितना कहा जाए उतना कम है. उन्होंने जब ये नरेट किया था आपको, जब इसके बारे में बताया था, उस समय क्या चल रहा था?
Gee, it's just like how you've just said, no matter how many words, it's all too short for him. He's, in simple one-liner, I would just like to say he's a genius. I feel like he's not from Earth, he's from somewhere else, but he's just born as a human being and some other soul is just, he's a genius.
वो सामने नहीं आते हैं, मतलब ऐसा we don't get to meet him. What is this?
Sir, we should really plan to kidnap
है ना,
him.
we have to do something with Sukumar sir because we've been waiting to talk to him. Of course, anyone and everyone over here. कौन सी एक चीज है रश्मिका इस फिल्म की, इस 5 साल की जर्नी की, that will always stay with you?
There's 5 years journey is, you can't say it in one word, you can't say it in one phrase or sentence. Lekin this, like 7 years of my journey as an actor, 5 years being with Pushpa is home. And now when we're done with the film, I actually don't know how to react to it because I'm very, very sad that it's ended, but I'm very, very excited that it's finally coming out. So I'm a little overwhelmed with a lot of emotions, but yeah, I'm hoping that I get to work with the team lot many more times.
I'm sure, fingers crossed, and I'm sure ऐसा ही होगा. यहाँ पे बड़ी सारी बार आप आओगे और हम सबसे बातचीत करने वाले हो. 5th December, the rule begins, ladies and gentlemen. Culmination नहीं है किसी चीज का, बल्कि शुरुआत है. बॉक्स ऑफिस के लिए एक नई उम्मीद, कुछ नए रिकॉर्ड्स तो आप भी तोड़ रहे हो. पता नहीं कितने तरीके से वो हार्ट बना लेते हो आप. How many?
बस
Yeah.
ये
मैं तो खत्म हो गया, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
आप सबके लिए.
मेरा हो गया. Okay, जाते जाते of course I've got this request from everyone, you know, जितने लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, we will play अंगारो, और आपको चिंगारी कैसे जलाते हैं वो सिखाना पड़ेगा, otherwise I can't.
No, before that, can I just talk to everyone?
Please, yes.
Hi guys. Are you all waiting for the release? Pakka you'll go watch. I'll be looking forward for all your reviews, huh? Huh? Yeah, I really will, because I know every time I spoke to all of you guys, you were only asking when is Pushpa 2 coming, when is Pushpa 2 coming. So finally it is releasing. Now please watch it on in the theaters on December 5th, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy it. Bas, I'll stop.
She said it. बस ठीक है, अभी बोल दिया ना, अभी करने का है. So can we have that song थोड़ा सा?
आप करोगे मेरे साथ?
मैं तो I'm dying to do it, of course.
Lovely, thank you.
मुझे रोक टोक कहते हैं लोग, पर मुंह मसा है मेरे.
अरे मैंने ऐसे ही बोला भाई.
नश्तर है वो यही दूर दूर गूंजे फितूर, पर बादशाह है मेरे जानू. कड़वी है बोली, दिल है रंगोली, इसमें बंधे क्यों लोग देखते हैं, मुझको तो दिखता है इसमें कोई सनम. अंगारों का अंबर सा लगता है मेरे सामने. मेरी राहों में फूलों का रास्ता है मेरे सामने.
Gentlemen, one more time, give it up for Rashmika, and thank you so much for being so amazing every single time. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Of course, मेरा तो हो गया, घर आज जा रहा हूं मैं. किसी और को बुला लो, देख लो. Did I?
Rashmika to come up on stage, and I want to do a small jig, you know, for Angaron ka song. You know, very few times I'll organically feel it, and only when I feel it, I do it. I'm feeling it today. Please play the song.
पत्थर है वो मुझे रोक टोक कहते हैं लोग, पर मुंह मसा है मेरा जानू. नश्तर है वो यही दूर दूर गूंजे फितूर, पर बादशाह है मेरे जानू. कड़वी है बोली, दिल है रंगोली, इसमें बंधे क्यों लोग देखते हैं, मुझको तो दिखता है इसमें कोई सनम. अंगारों का अंबर सा लगता है मेरे सामने. मेरी राहों में फूलों का रास्ता है मेरे सामने.
This December 5th, hope to see you in theaters. पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या, फायर समझे क्या. इस बार वाइल्ड फायर है मैं. See you in December 5th in the theaters. Thank you, India. Thank you so much for all your love. Thank you to all the Indians and Pushpa fans worldwide. Thank you.
Sir, of course, you know, you are here.
Namaskar.
Rashmika, please be here with us. एक छोटी सी चीज, you talked about everyone, sir, but we have some very special memories on the big screen for you. है ना? This is the journey of Pushpa and this entire team. I'm going to play that for you. So can we have the thing on the big screen?
It means the whole nation and the whole world is watching. So I would like to thank my entire unit that has supported me from the COVID times. You know, it was hard to shoot for 400, 500 people during COVID times challenge till today. It's almost a 4.5, 5 years journey. So thank you to my unit. There's no way I would have done it without them. And to all my technicians, my chief technicians, my art director, my cameraman Kuba, and above all, my childhood friend and a person who's given me so many super hit songs, none other than my childhood friend, rockstar Devi Shri Prasad. Thank you, Devi. You have given me phenomenal numbers, and at last, you gave me so many songs. At last, you even gave me a global chart number like Oh Anta Va Mama Oh Anta Va. Thank you, Devi. I can't thank you enough. And still, we still have one more song that is going to be released, and you will witness Devi's magic on December 1st, which we will be releasing with the video. You know, I want to tell everybody that we're giving a 1-minute video out, a full dancing number out. I think it'll touch your hearts, and I think we'll bring celebrations into the theater with that song. And I would like to thank, most importantly, my actors. There is no way I could have performed without my artist support. I'd like to thank a phenomenal actor, Mr. Fafa. We call him Fafa, Mr. Fahad Fazil Garu. I would like to thank Fahad Fazil Garu for doing this film. He's a hero himself, but still, for the love of the film, for the love he has for Sukumar Garu, he came and played an antagonist in this film. And you will all witness what a phenomenal actor he is, you know, on this December 1st worldwide. Thank you, my dear Fafa. Thank you, my brother. And thank you, Dancing Queen, you know, Sri Leela. She's a Telugu girl, she's from my hometown. And she's a phenomenal dancer. I think the entire country and the world will witness how this girl can dance. And I wish her all the best. And of course, my most special, my Srivalli. You know, last 4 years, I have only been working with one actress. And that is none other than Rashmika. You know, we have become almost like family. I'm so comfortable with her. I want to take 2 minutes and thank her for everything that she's done for this film. Her